Good morning, students. Now I am going to start the next portions preventive measures in HIV. In previous class, we already discussed the incubation period. Now, treatments and preventive measures we discuss here. Treatments of HIV. There are no permanent cause for HIV. Antiretrovirus drugs are also applied for the treatments of HIV. So now discuss preventive measures of HIV, how to prevent this disease. It is spread due to conscious behavior. These are the main characteristics of HIV. So prevention is easy. WHO starts a number of programs to prevent the spreading of HIV. First, making blood from blood banks. This is safe for HIV. Safe from HIV. Second, ensuring the use of only disposable needles and syringes. Is it clear? Free distributions of condoms. That is also the another methods to prevent from the HIV, because HIV is spread with the fluid contacts of the persons, not the touch of the persons. Next, controlling drugs abuse. And last, advocating safe sex and promoting regular checkup for HIV. Advocating safe sex already discussed to high risk categories of the persons in which how to prevent the multiple sex. So advocating safe sex and promoting regular checkup for HIV. So now we are second disease discussed here. This is known as cancer. So cancer, it is another dreaded disease. It is also caused by the carcinogens, and carcinogens are the causative agents of cancer. So first we see what is the characters of cancer cells. First see definition of cancer. Cancer is defined as an uncontrolled division or proliferations of cells without any differentiations. Proliferations of cells without any differentiations. That is, cancerous cells are uncontrolled divisions or proliferations of cells without any differentiation. So see the characteristics of cancer cells. The cell divide repeatedly again and again with uncontrolled cell division. Cell division is uncontrolled because cell divide repeatedly. Next characteristics, cancer cells do not require extracellular growth factors. Not requires extracellular growth factors. Next character, cancer cells have lost the properties of contact inhibitions. Third characters, cancer cells have lost properties of contact inhibitions. Next characters, due to repeated division, cells form a large mass of tissue called tumor. These are the main characteristics of the cancer cells. Next, the cells pass out from the tumor. Cells pass out from tumor to new site for forming secondary tumors. Next point, the invasions of cancerous cells from one part to the other parts by body fluid, that is the main characteristics, is called metastasis. That means the invasions of cancerous cells from one part to the other parts by body fluid is called metastasis. So these are the characteristics of cancer cells. Now tumors are of generally two types. First is benign tumors and second is malignant tumors. So tumors are of generally two types. All tumors are not cancerous cells or cancer, but all cells are from the tumor. All tumors are not the cancerous cells but cells from the tumors. Benign tumors does not show metastasis. It is non-cancerous tumor. Benign tumors is known as non-cancerous tumor because it does not show metastasis and is non-invasive. It stops growth after a certain size. It is less fatal to the body. Malignant tumors is known as the cancerous tumor because it shows metastasis and thus invades other body parts. Malignant tumors is known as cancerous tumors because it shows metastasis and thus invades other body parts. It shows infinitive growth as proliferating cells called neoplastic or tumor cells. It's in infinitive growth as proliferating cells called neoplastic or tumor cells its tendency to grow rapidly, invade and damage other tissues. It is more fatal to the body. So benign tumors are less fatal, and malignant tumors are more fatal to the body. Oncogenic virus have cancer causing virus. Oncogenic viruses have cancer causing virus known as oncogene. Normal cells have genes called cellular oncogenes, ECONs. It is known as the ECONs or proto-oncogenes, which are present in inactivated state. Which is present in which form? Which is present in inactivated state, but under certain conditions. Conditions apply, and which type of conditions? Conditions like mutations, and you know well what is the meaning of mutations. You know well and familiar the name mutations. Sudden changes takes place in the structures of gene, you know well. That is cause the mutations. So certain changes, certain conditions provided to inactivate the cells get transferred to cancers causing oncogenes. So cellular oncogenes or proto-oncogenes, which are present in inactivated state but under certain conditions, get transformed to cancers causing oncogenes. So now discuss the causes of cancers. Cancer causing agent is known as the carcinogen. So there are different types of carcinogens are present. First is chemical agent, second is physical agent, and third is also known as the biological agent, and this agent is also known as the cancer causing agent. So chemical agents like aniline dyes. Second, N-nitrodomethylamine, methylamine, N-nitrodomethylamine. Third, benzopyrene. Fourth, chemicals in cigarette smokes. These are the chemical agents which cause the cancers. Physical agents like ionizing radiations. Ionizing radiations like X-rays and gamma rays. These are the ionizing radiations which also known as the cancerous causing agent. Cancer causing agent. Second, non-ionizing radiations like ultraviolet rays are also agents of cancers. Third is biological agent. Oncogenic viruses are cancers causing agent, that is the group of the biological agent, and others parasite also belonging to the groups of the biological agent. So these are the different types of agents which cause the cancer in human. Then types of cancers. There are generally common 4 types of cancers. First is carcinoma. Second is melanoma. Third is sarcoma. And fourth is leukemia and lymphoma. These are the types of cancers. Carcinoma cancers cause epithelial tissues or skin cancers. Carcinoma is generally known as epithelial tissues or skin cancers. Melanoma, it is clear for their name, present in the skins in the form of the pigments, so melanocytes of the pigments. Fourth is sarcoma. It is also a types of cancers which is present in our mesodermal tissue. So our mesodermal tissue is affected by type of cancers is known as sarcoma. And last, that is affected and related to our blood, leukemia. It is clear for their name, leukemia blood. So it affected our blood cells. That means ki hemopoietic cells is known as blood cells which is affected by this disease. So there are generally 4 different types of cancers. First is epithelial tissues cancer. It is known as carcinoma. Second tissue is melanocyte of skins. This is known as melanoma. Third is mesodermal tissue. This is known as sarcoma. And fourth is blood cells. This is known as leukemia and lymphoma. So these are the types of cancers. Now we discuss detections of cancers. How to detect cancers? How to detect the cancers? So there are so many common way to detect the cancers. First type is also known as blood and bone marrow test.